34th floor of Worldview, which is a part of World Towers of the Lodha Group. This house residence that you're going to see today is an 1800 square feet residence, which is a 3-bedroom apartment. The beauty of this house is the curve and the way we utilize the curve to our benefit. So again, how do you make this living room look different and big at the same time? Coming to the main, the entrance foyer. The entrance is really interesting because what we did is instead of giving a painting or a console or something, we just played with the wall. I have done this entire effect with the MDF and then done PU on it, and they're lovely concentric circles that go around throughout the wall. It kind of gives a definition and takes you into the space without actually like defining it separate. Yes, and then even the way we've done our kitchen connection to the dining. The thing is, the kitchen actually has very little natural light. I've given the entire kitchen with glass in between, so it kind of looks like the entire living room is going into the kitchen. The real challenge in this residence is the passage. The passage is really long, and there are 3 bedrooms going on one side. So how do you make the passage look interesting? So we've given these different lights, like curved lights that go at different angles, and then we've given it like a definition. So right in the end, there's just a nice solid black painting with just a little bit of embroidery done in gold. So it kind of gives depth to the entire passage. The son's room. His room is again a touch of, so I've done a concrete wall in his room, and then I've given it a little touch of blue and dark grey. There's grey with a touch of black and again blue in that. So the idea is that although the room is small and extended the same look into the bathroom. One of the rooms is the daughter's room, which is all done in muted grey along with a nice subtle pink which runs into the room. The walls I have kept there are all white. The idea of keeping white walls is that the room just looks much bigger than it actually is. A bathroom is just white with pink. The master room is really special to me. Well, the challenge here was that the walls are not straight. How do I make the room look big as well as give enough wardrobe space? So everywhere in the room it's designed in such a way that the wardrobe is kept as a background, and then the bed is kept in front of it, creating a tiny passage behind. So there's enough space for a person to go and remove the clothes from the wardrobe. At the same time, the room is got its own space and beauty. The bedroom also has a lovely small little couch to sit on, and the couch has got colors and like nice floral pattern on the couch. Vis-a-vis the entire room is just solid color. So that solid and a little bit of flower makes the room look like really nice and eclectic. Again, the same color scheme is followed into the washroom. There it's again grey with a little bit of green and some little different freshness to the whole space again. Yeah, it's a pretty interesting site. I just believe it is a journey that I've accomplished with my client, and what's best is it's just extremely subtle. It's a very beautiful home and a lovely space to live in, and just look at the beautiful view outside. So I hope you really enjoy this. Thank you.